Yung away ng free tuition sa college. Ay, yung kay Bam Aquino. Oo nga eh, no? Eh, si Bam Aquino naman talaga yung may ano nun. Ah, may gawa. Pero actually, hindi ko nga gets kung ano eh. Ano ba yung nakalagay dun sa batas na yun sa free free tuition sa college. Iano nga natin. At saka saan sila kumukuha ng pondo para doon? Teka. What is ano bang tawag doon? What is BAM BAM Aquino's free college law? The free college law, officially known as Republic Act. Teka, di pala nakikita. Yan. Republic Act 100931. Okay. Is a landmark Philippine law. Signed on August 3, 2017 during the administration of Rodrigo Duterte. Former Senator Bam Aquino was a key figure in its passage, serving as the principal sponsor and co-author in the Senate, leveraging his position as chair of the Senate Committee on Education. So siya yung chair ng Senate Committee on Education. Okay. Okay, the key provisions of the law: free tuition and free fees in public institutions. Covers mandatory fees, ensuring no out-of-pocket cost for tuition and the related expenses in these institutions. Free tuition and miscellaneous fees for students in state universities, local universities and colleges, and technical vocational institutions under Technical Education and Skills Development Authority sa TESDA. So mga public school, tertiary in public institutions, okay, offer scholarships or subsidies for financially advantaged but deserving students to cover expenses like books, transportation, and other school-related costs. Extend support to students in private and higher education institutions through the Student Financial Assistance Programs. Student Loan Program. Opt-out provision. Allows financially capable students to opt out of free tuition benefit, enabling them to pay tuition voluntarily, which helps prioritize subsidies for needier students. Okay. So, pwede kang mag-opt out. Why would you opt out? Kung makakatipid ka, like let's say nasa Pisay ka, 'di ba? So libre ang tuition sa let's say sa Pisay nga. Mamaya na tanong. Implementation. Okay. Context and significance. The law addresses decades-long calls for free tertiary education rooted in mass movement since the 1980s. It responds to the financial struggles of Filipino families. Okay? Despite its benefits, challenges remain such as ensuring adequate funding. Yun ang problema talaga eh. Kasi kung may pera ka lang talaga, pwedeng libre lahat eh. Kung meron kang bukal ng pera. Kaso, yun ang wala. And aligning circular with market needs to reduce job mismatches. Okay. So there are zero tuition fee in Philippine public schools. Yes, under the Republic, okay. Under the law, tuition fees and miscellaneous fees are fully covered for students in public higher education institutions, including state universities. Okay. Important notes. This means students enrolled in these institutions do not pay tuition or mandatory school fees. Essentially free, making it essentially free in terms of these costs. Okay. Important notes. Scope. Applies only to public institutions, not private colleges. Other costs. While tuition fees are covered, students may still need to cover non-mandatory expenses like books, transpo, board and lodging. Okay. So, yung mga books, mga gamit mo, sa'yo na. Tuition lang, hindi. Opt-out. Pwede ka ring, kung mabait ka, pwede kang magbayad. Eligibility. The benefit applies to all students. All students. So, hindi lang siya, sa mga scholar. But students must meet academic and admission requirements to remain enrolled. Okay. So, hindi, may requirement pero siguro hindi ganun kataas para maging scholar ka. So, essentially, lahat ng mga public school students are scholar ng bayan na. Mga isko at iska na. Okay, so where do they get the funding? Where do they get the funding? The funding which provides free tuition and fees in public, okay? Comes primarily from the national government budget. So budget talaga with specific allocations and revenue sources designated to sustain the program. Below are the key sources and mechanisms for its funding. National government project. So budget ng gobyerno. Okay. Specific revenue sources. So PAGCOR ang isa, panggagalingan. PCSO, sweepstakes. National Government Fund. Additional funding from government's general revenue including taxes. Okay. Tax. Pero PAGCOR at PCSO, pagkukuhaanan. The higher education, okay. Budget allocation details. The higher education, the HESF created under RA 931 consolidates these funds to finance the free tuition program. Okay, challenges and advocacy, funding concerns. During the law's passage, economic managers under President Duterte raised concerns about its affordability. Former Senator Bam Aquino worked to secure sustainable funding by tapping PAGCOR and PCSO revenues. Also, si Bam din talaga yung nag-isip ng paraan paano ma-fund. Budget advocacy. Ang tanong sapat ba yung mga fund na yon? Okay, implementation issues. Some reports have noted delays in fund releases or insufficient TES coverage for all eligible students, prompting calls for better budget prioritization and transparency. Diba? Yung kasi ang problema talaga, yung pera. Yun ang, diba? Madaling, kung unlimited talagang pera, gawin natin lahat. Libre na lahat. Ganon. Parang you would think hindi mauubos yung pera ng gobyerno but that's not true. Ang daming ang utang ng gobyerno you think you can just keep taxing people, but then again, nakaka-apekto sa sa mga businesses. Pag bumagsak yung mga nagbabayad ng tax, di eventually mawawala ng tax. Mawawala ng budget. Aasa ka lang sa mga nagsusugal. Ganun nangyayari sa PAGCOR at saka sa PCSO. Pero still, at least merong option na mag-opt out. Pero kung ako ba't ako mag-opt out? Kung maganda yung turo, kung maganda yung quality ng school. Tingnan natin, does this include PSI? Ano bang spelling ng PSI? The Philippine Science High School. Selectable! No! Hindi kasama yung hindi kasama yung PSI. Di ba public ang PSI? Nagulat ako. Nature of PSI is a specialized public secondary school under the Department of Science and Technology, not the Department of Education. PSHS offers grade 7 to 12, which falls under basic education secondary level, not second. Oo nga, no. Mga high school lang to. So, outside of the coverage siya. Selectable, sumama ka dun sa ano natin, dito sa Reddit. Nagre-Reddit ka ba? r/comicsman. Post ka ng mga pwede nating pag-usapan doon, bro. Kung may Reddit ka. Okay. Away lang talaga ng mga DDS at Pinklawan. Oo nga eh. Ayaw magbigay ng credit kay Bam Aquino kasi. Security! Security! Wag ka nang magkaila. Well, ang sarap kasi naman talaga kasing pakinggan, 'di ba? Free college. Teka, does it include UP? Siguro naman. Yes, okay. So yes, kasi so yung mga DOE, Department of sa mga DepEd, ano siya, pasok. Sa Pisay hindi kasi DOST pala siya. Okay. That's that. Si Bam Aquino